No one can accurately predict what happens inside a cell when you silence a gene, but one research organization is offering $100,000 to anyone who can build an AI model to do just that. Hi, I'm Ryan Flynn, the AI correspondent for Biotech TV, and here's a recent story that was worth sharing with you. So, the news comes from the ARC Institute, which just this week announced their Virtual Cell Challenge, which is a public competition asking researchers to create an AI system that can simulate how an entire cell responds when a single gene is turned off. So that means predicting how thousands of other genes react, whether they turn up, down, or stay the same. Each cell expresses more than 16,000 genes, and the possible combinations of responses across different gene edits and cell types adds up to billions of potential outcomes. Until recently, modeling that kind of complexity wasn't realistic. Earlier data sets were often too noisy, meaning they had so much background variation or inconsistent results that it was hard to learn anything useful. But with better data and more powerful AI tools, researchers may now be able to finally solve this problem. To support the challenge, ARC released a dataset of 300,000 single cells, each one measured after CRISPR was used to silence a gene. So the key is that this data comes from real lab experiments, not simulations. ARC has run the gene edits and they measure how each cell has responded. For the challenge, they will hold some of this data so participants can only see what gene was silenced and not what happens afterwards. AI models are scored based on how closely their predictions match the real world experiments. So that smaller data set comes from ARC's broader virtual cell atlas, which now includes data from more than 350 million single cells, making it one of the largest resources ever built for studying how cells respond to genetic changes. By launching this specific challenge and publicly and offering a $100,000 prize along with other prizes, ARC is trying to set a new standard for how we model biology and opening the door for faster, more predictive research. Thanks for watching. Follow Biotech TV for more news on how AI is reshaping drug development.